Hey guys, ever wonder how I make my Corjl files into PNG files to import into Cricut? Well, this is how. Follow this simple tutorial on how to turn your Corjl file into a PNG file that's imported into Cricut Design Space. As you can see inside Corjl, I've practically broken down each item into a layer. Once I've broken down each item in the layer, I can then complete my proof or approve my proof and download each individual piece as a zipped file as a PNG. This is what I'm doing now. You have the option to download as a PDF, JPEG, or PNG. For the purpose of importing it into Cricut, I am actually downloading it as a PNG file. You do have the option to download each individual PNG. This is very tedious. I suggest that you actually click on the All Zipped option. From there, you can download the entire files of PNG in one spot. Now, once you do this, again, it will download into a zip folder where each individual layer or file, if you will be in one folder for you to import directly into Cricut Design Space. Alright, once you have your files, you can now import them into Cricut Design Space directly, which is what we are doing now. You want to go directly to your regular upload section of Cricut Design Space, click Upload Image, and from there directly you can actually upload your individual PNG files from your computer. Simply put in the file name, search for it directly, and click Open. From Open, you can go through the normal wizard of uploading an image into Cricut Design Space. You can choose to crop it down so that it's not the full entire, I do believe it's 8 by 10 is the original size. You can size that down. Be sure to save it as a cut image and not a print then cut image, and it saves directly into your design space. If you are comfortable and are very knowledgeable of using Cricut Design Space, you can see how quickly this can evolve into putting all your layers together the way that you want. Simply again, import the image, crop it down to the size you need, and then save as a print then cut or save directly as a cut image. Okay, once you have all your images in place, you can then put them all together on one document, if you will. Be sure to save that document. Of course, you can use it as much as you would like. You can change out the layers to be certain colors. You don't have to stick to the colors I was specifically using in the design at this point. You can literally customize this however you would like. But this is the quickest way to take a Corjl document and use it to manipulate into Cricut Design Space to create your own custom Cricut images. Thanks for watching my tutorial today. Feel free to follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter at Octane Designs for more crafting videos.